Hello, everybody. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Nahush Mokadam. I love cooking all types of food. It really began growing up, learning from my parents, my grandmother, and anybody who would teach me. My cooking styles evolved into making often complicated and intricate recipes, but every now and again, I like to make simple ones too. My kids started calling me Chef Dad when they were little, and one year they made me this cute little apron. I realized that I'd been calling it food of love in my own head. The extra time, the extra attention, I was putting my love into the food. You may have seen some of my food posts over the years, and I realized that I wanted to share these more completely with all of you. So I've launched a new YouTube channel called Food of Love with Chef Dad. I also have a Facebook and Instagram account. I'll show you how to make my recipes, I'll share some stories, and give you tips and tricks on how and why I make food of love the way I do. And as an added bonus, I'll share at least one dad joke per episode. What do you call a chef that's also a lawyer? A sous chef. Friends and acquaintances have often asked me, what's your favorite thing to cook? I'm honestly unable to answer that. You'll see that I cook a wide variety of cuisines from all over the world. Each of them have their own little details that make them enjoyable to make. So prepare yourself. You're about to take a bit of a foodie trip. Please like and subscribe to my channel and pages, and turn on post notifications. Feel free to share this with your family and friends. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to the journey ahead.